Mabigat man sa loob, Kimmy nagsampa na ng kasong qualified theft sa kanyang ate Lakam.
Araw bago mag-showtime, formal na naghain ng reklamong qualified theft ang TV host actress na si Kim Chiu laban sa kanyang kapatid na si Lakambini Chiu. Ayon kay Kim at sa kanyang legal counsel ay meron silang nadiskubring serious financial discrepancies sa negosyong hinahawakan ni Kim at ni Lakam.
Kinasuhan ng kapamilya, TV host actress na si Kim Chiu ang kanyang kapatid na si Lakambini Chiu, kaugnay na naging problema nila sa kanilang business, kasama ang kanyang mga abogadong sina Sailin Dolor and Archer Nar Gregana. Naghain ng formal complaint si Kim laban sa kapatid sa Office of Assistant City Prosecutor sa Quezon City. Suportado rin si Kim ng kanyang sister na si Twinkle at brother-in-law na sinamahan din siya sa pag-file ng kaso. Kabilang sa kasong isinampa ng actress kay Lakam ay qualified theft. Today, nag-file si Kim ng criminal case against Lakambini Chiu. We filed a criminal complaint for qualified theft. That's all we can share for now. Ayon kay Dolor, sa panayam ni MJ Felipe ng ABS-CBN. Anya pa na diskubre ni Kim ang financial discrepancies sa negosyo nilang magkapatid. Right now, I am not authorized to name the business, but I think fans would know kung ano pa yung business ventures na she shared with Miss Lakambini Chiu. Generally, I can say that she, Lakam, is part of the management of the business. Sabi pa ng legal counsel ni Kim patungkol sa posisyon ng inasunto sa negosyo ng actress. May pagtatangka naman daw mula sa kampo ni Lakam na ayusin ang problema nila ni Kim. Sabi ng abogado, she reached out and the lawyers reached out also. But yun nga po, it has also been a statement of Miss Kim na it has been a very difficult decision for her to do this and to proceed with this step. As far as I know, I have been in 1 or 2 meetings, but I know there have been several times na they reach out to each other, sabi pa ni Dolor. Samantala, sa isang statement, sinabi ni Kim na ang pagsasampa niya ng kaso laban sa kapatid ay para na rin sa interest of transparency, accountability, and protecting her company. I am issuing this statement with a heavy heart and with deep respect for the truth and for the people who have supported me throughout my careers and my business journey. After careful consideration and months of internal review, I have made the difficult decision to file a legal case for qualified theft against my sister, Lakambini Chiu, in relation to serious financial discrepancies discovered within my business operations. This decision did not come easily. It is one of the most painful steps I have ever taken in my life. As many know, I built my business ventures with hard work, passion, and trust in the people I love. Unfortunately, substantial amounts connected to my business assets were found missing. These discoveries forced me to take formal action to protect not just my company, but also the livelihoods of the people who work with me and the integrity of everything I have built. This is a private family matter that has now become a legal process. I am choosing transparency, responsibility, and accountability, not only for myself, but also for the brand and community that has supported me from the beginning. I ask for understanding respect as our family navigates this very difficult chapter. I am hopeful that through the proper legal channels, clarify and fairness will prevail. Despite this painful situation, I remain committed to my work, my supporters, and the continued growth of my business ventures. I also continue to pray for healing and resolution for everyone involved. Thank you for your support, compassion, and respect during this time. So ayun na nga, nag-file na nga si Kimi ng qualified theft sa kanyang kapatid na si Lakambini Chu. Masakit man ito para sa dalaga at ayaw man niyang gawin, pero napilitan siya para na rin sa community niya at sa kanyang negosyo. Tama lang yan, Kiming, ginawa mo dahil binigay mo naman lahat para sa buong pamilya mo, lalong higit kay Ate Lakam ang buong tiwala mo. Kaya go lang, Kimi. We support you all the way. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.